In this video, we're going to go from this to this. Alright, so purchased a new trailer, I was driving home, and the passenger side windshield wiper quit working. So I'm going to dig in and see what it's going to take to fix it. So first thing I'm going to do is take the cover off. Alright, there we go. Alright, so take the little cover off, and there should be a 15mm nut underneath. Alright. Cover off. Set it aside. And awesome, just tighten it down just a little bit and it fixed it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side too. Preventive maintenance kind of thing. Cap back on. So again, just pop the little cap off. So this one's okay, but I'm gonna go and get a little. Oh yeah, it's still loose too. There we go. Gotta be my quickest fix ever. This is awesome. If you like this video, select a like down there and subscribe if you would. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to it and who knows, maybe the next one you'll like. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna take my tripod apart.